drowning in emails, and ensure how to respond without spending your entire day typing? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to acknowledge emails, saving you time and keeping your inbox sane. First, the golden rule: acknowledge promptly. Ideally, within 2,448 hours. This shows respect for the sender's time. Even if you don't have a full answer, a quick acknowledgement goes a long way. When you don't have an immediate answer, use a simple holding response. Something like, received, and will review shortly, or thanks, I'll get back to you on this by date. This sets expectations and prevents the sender from wondering if their email disappeared into the void. Always refer to the original email in your reply. Quoting key sections or referencing specific questions makes it clear you understand the sender's needs. This minimizes confusion and back-and-forth emails. Highlight the part of the email you are responding to and copy it. Then paste this highlighted text in the reply email body. Directly answer any questions the sender has. Be concise and avoid jargon. Use bullet points or numbering for complex topics to make the information easier to digest. In this example, you can see the answer of specific questions written with clear format. Set up filters or rules for recurring emails or newsletters. These can automatically archive or mark emails as read, reducing inbox clutter and ensuring you focus on important messages first. Most email providers offer robust filtering options. Explore them. Before you hit send, proofread. A quick check for typos and clarity can prevent misunderstandings and maintain professionalism. A poorly worded email reflects poorly on you. And finally, practice inbox management techniques. Block out specific times each day to process emails, rather than constantly reacting. Aim for inbox 0 y a state of calm and control. You can also use acknowledgement email templates, so you don't have to write the same email from scratch every time. By following these tips, you'll be acknowledging emails like a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips. Let me know in the comments what other email challenges you face.